डिस्क्लेमर, पहले वीडियो एंड उस पर भी इतना भारी टॉपिक लिया है तो ऑब्वियसली ज्ञान चोद रहूँगा। व्हाट इज़ वैलिडेशन? अभी गूगल पे वैलिडेशन का मीनिंग ढूंढो तो काफ़ी सिंपल सा मीनिंग है, द एक्शन ऑफ चेकिंग और प्रूविंग द वैलिडिटी और एक्यूरेसी ऑफ समथिंग। इज इट दैट सिंपल? ओवर टाइम वैलिडेशन की मीनिंग काफ़ी चेंज हो चुकी है। 2020 में इट जस्ट मीन्स कि यू आर डूइंग इट आउट ऑफ कंप्लीट पीयर प्रेशर, and as easy as it may sound, it might be affecting your life drastically. So what can you do? So the most obvious answer is you need to reduce seeking validation. The reason why I ask you not to stop it completely is because then you would be giving up a simple human malfunction that you have been designed to do. And after all, validation is a perfectly natural thing to want. And the next best thing you can do is you do not have to agree with or accept everything others say or do. Allow yourself to be critical and give yourself permission to step away from situations or people that make you feel bad. You need to learn to be independent and not depend on others to make you feel good and validated. No one cares, and that's just fine. Everything that you do it for yourself and not for anyone else. People need to realize that even if the other person has a way cooler life than you, they still have their own flaws which they choose to hide. Try making a conscious point to go do something fun and not take a single picture or post anything about it. Recognize that you're going to do it completely for yourself and for your own senses to experience and for your own enjoyment. It's not like I do not have a drive for validation. My problem is that I get so extremely extroverted and extremely passionate in my beliefs, but unfortunately many of my beliefs do not accord with the current group thinking and popular conventional wisdoms. And with time I had finally learned that I do not have to argue when people say stuff that I take strong exception to. I even learned that I cannot change other people's views with logic or reasons or facts. If they are not sincerely asking after an issue, their views are likely not going to change. And yeah, lastly, and the most important thing is you do not need to buy your own place on this earth. You have as much right to be here as anyone else, and it's your job to make the best of it. If you like this video, do drop a like. Also, if you have any suggestions, let me go through them by dropping a comment down below.